Nuvali is transforming fast. If you are still looking for a retirement property in an estate with nearby conveniences such as malls, schools, hospitals, and activity areas, this is the right place for you. Join me today as I share with you all the major updates dito po sa Nuvali, the Ayala Land's iconic 15-minute city and the leader of the rising south. Hello guys, good morning. This is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your trusted property specialist in the South here in Nuvali. Today guys, I will show you kung ano na po ang mga major updates dito sa Nuvali for the year 2025 naman. Actually, last year kasi, meron na rin po tayong intensive drive tour dito sa Nuvali. But of course, in a span of 1 year, marami na pong naging improvements tsaka additional plans dito sa Nuvali. So lahat po ng yan, madi-discuss po natin later on, tsaka lahat yan dadaanan natin. Also guys, malalaman din po natin mamaya kung bakit naging 15-minute city itong si Nuvali and why it became the leader of the rising south. Guys, daanan na rin po natin mamaya yung lahat ng mga pre-selling communities na we offer here para kahit paano magkaroon tayo ng idea kung example kung saan nyo po gustong mag-invest sa future-ready part of South Luzon dito sa Nuvali. So hello guys, welcome to my intensive drive tour. So ngayon po iikutin po natin yung buong Nuvali tsaka madadaanan na rin po natin lahat ng major updates dito. So sa mga naghahanap na po dyan ng retirement property tsaka investment dito sa South, this is for you guys. Before we start, I will share with you guys kung paano ba pumunta dito sa Nuvali. If manggagaling po kayong north, this is the fastest route. Take SLEX, then pwede rin po kayong mag-Skyway para mas mabilis. Pero minsan, mas mabilis pa sa baba kaysa mag-Skyway. Pero minsan lang ha, not all the time. So, back to SLEX, exit lang po tayo ng Mamplasan. Then after Mamplasan, there's a roundabout. Yung first exit, dun po tayo lalabas. Yun na rin po yung entry to Calax. Sobrang laking tulong po nitong Calax guys, sobrang convenient nito. Kasi if you are going to Nuvali and to Tagaytay, mas malaki po yung malalesen ng driving hours po ninyo. So here po, exit lang po tayo sa first exit, the Laguna Boulevard exit, and dito na po yung baba ninyo. Then tara, diretso na po tayo. Dito na po tayo dadaan sa Nuvali flyover. So after that flyover, dito na po tayo sa front of Nuvali. In case naman po guys na manggaling naman kayo ng south, meron naman po tayong iba pang exits like in Silangan, Eton, Santa Rosa exit. Before po natin pasukin si Nuvali po, let me share lang po with you the nearby establishments and mga developers po dito. So on our left side is the Vista Mall. Ito yung malaking mall ni Villar na katabi ni Nuvali. Also, not so far from here is the Paseo by Greenfield. And sa likod naman is yung Carmel Ray by Rockwell. And the ongoing SM Neo Verde, of course by SM Prime Holdings, located naman sa right side ni Nuvali, which will discuss na din po natin later on. So big names, big developers ay andito sa area na ito, nakapalibot kay Nuvali. So there is really a huge something important sa area, that's why nabuo din ang The Rising South. Ito naman po yung team up with our other estates dito sa South, Era in Carmona, Broadfield in Binyan, and Southmont in Silang, and Nuvali as the leader. We are creating thriving communities that blend progress, long-term value, and of course, a sustainable environment dito sa future-ready part ng South Luzon. So, Nuvali as the leader, the center, the masterpiece, sobrang ganda ng master plan ni Ayala dito. In short, Nuvali is the future of South Luzon. So tara, pasukin na po natin si Nuvali for you to see, to visualize kung gaano naka-progressive itong si Nuvali. Mapapansin nyo, If nasa Nuvali na kayo, when you see the huge logo there, and the main entrance of Nuvali is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Madadaanan nyo po ito if you are going to Tagaytay, unless if nagkalax po kayo. Also, for you to be more familiar, knowledgeable about Nuvali, let me share with you the brief details about it. Nuvali is the first and largest eco-estate development of Ayala in the Philippines. This is also the model estate to all our eco-estates development. And when we say eco-estate, no, this is a sustainable estate. We are implementing the green building practices, energy efficient systems, and the preservation of natural habitats. Nuvali po kasi is 50% nature, 50% estate. Hindi po tayo yung puro residential and commercial lang. Also, may sarili din po tayong patrol group, fire truck, and emergency transport vehicle na hindi na po tayo nakadepende sa labas and may re-responde po kaagad. Nuvali is composed of 2,500 hectares up to date. Sa laki ng estate natin, it straddles 3 cities, mainly in Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao. Also, hinati ito into 4 segments. Nuvali North, this is our main commercial business district kung nasaan din po tayo ngayon currently. Next is Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South. Here in Nuvali North, dito po located the famous Manlay Lake, kung saan pwede po tayo mag-feed ng koi fish and ng boat riding. The Ayala Mall Soledad 1, One Evotech, the Ayala Brands Hotel Seda. We have 2 buildings here. Also, the Nuvali Techno Hub, and the other major updates in Nuvali is the ongoing construction of Museum for Architecture and Residences. Last year po, no, I also featured this unique design of building, the Museum for Architecture and Residences. So ngayon, topped off na po siya. This project combines museum and exhibition spaces. It will showcase the evolution of Filipino architecture and highlight innovations in modern living spaces. So, ganun po yung mangyayari sa ating museum. Also, magkakaroon din po siya ng very limited luxury residential condominiums. So, this upcoming architectural landmark in Nuvali will surely be one of the top tourist spots dito po. So, to be updated, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy, para mas maging updated po kayo sa developments po nito. So, back on the road, punta naman tayo sa other part of Nuvali North. In this part of Nuvali North, habang binabaybay natin yung Nuvali Boulevard, our main road in Nuvali, dito po located the Ayala Mall Soledad 2 and 3. It's really convenient po, no, to us having our own malls here. Hindi na tayo lalabas ng Nuvali. Shopping centers, andito na rin, Landers and SNR. Halos kaka-open lang po nitong Landers nito last December 2024. Puntahan na din natin where located yung ating hospital para mas maging familiar po kayo dito. So in this area naman, located yung Ayala Brand Hospital, Healthway Qualimed, and is planned to match the quality of Asian Hospital. Katapat lang po ito ng mga roadside stores, McDo, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Jollibee, and Uniqlo. Pag diniretso po natin ito, dito naman located yung one of the shopping centers natin, si SNR. The bus terminal, we have P2P buses here from Makati to Nuvali and vice versa. Example, if you want to come here from Makati, meron po tayong bus terminal from Ayala Mall Circuit and sa One Ayala. Diretso na po yan dito sa Nuvali. Very convenient. And guys, I am really excited to share with you our newest mall, Ayala Mall Soledad 4. Tara, babaan po natin saglit. This is one of the major updates dito sa Nuvali. Our newest mall, Ayala Mall Soledad 4. As you can see po, no, ongoing na po yung construction nito. And sabi, the phase 1 is set to open on December 2025. If ever po na mangyari yan, kita-kita na lang po tayo dito. Yung size po ng mall na to is kasing laki ng Glorieta dun sa Makati. Kaya po, this is also called the Glorieta of the South. And ipakita ko rin po no, yung sa screen, yung ating artist perspective nitong mall natin para makita ninyo kung gaano ba siya kaganda once na matapos na. Ngayon, saan ba located itong si Ayala Mall Soledad 4? Located po siya dito sa one of the entrances in Nuvali. Dito po siya, malapit or walking distance sa ating bus terminal. Also, well-known naman itong si SNR, so katapat lang po siya. Yan po si SNR. Ganun lang po siya kalapit or kung saan located si Ayala Mall Soledad 4. Also, connected din po ito sa ating existing malls, Ayala Mall Soledad 2 and 3. Yung next natin guys na pupuntahan naman ay yung one of the major updates din dito. Tara, I can't wait to show you yung itong another mall natin, which is si SM Neo Verde. Now this is SM Neo Verde, one of the newest malls in Nuvali. This is one of the major updates dito po sa Nuvali, the SM Neo Verde. Actually, last year, na-feature na rin po natin ito and the unofficial name was SM Yulo Premier. Pero ngayon, yung official name po niya is SM Neo Verde. So, this is a 3-hectare mall na may indoor garden. Kumbaga, yung ano po natin, artist perspective, papakita ko rin po sa inyo sa screen na to. Also, good news guys sa ating residents dito at saka sa mga neighbors na din po. Kasi etong mall natin, magkakaroon din po tayo ng katabing BPO tower for offices, call centers, tsaka po sa ating mga IT. So, marami pong opportunities na mag-open po ulit dito. The location of this mall is located lang po siya along Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. So kung pupunta pa kayo ng Tagaytay, madadaanan nyo lang po ito. Also, for the developments or updates nitong mall, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, tsaka paki-follow na rin po yung ating Facebook page, Estate Savvy, para lagi po tayong updated. Back on the road, tara, balik na tayo sa Nuvali. On this part of Nuvali naman, on our left side is the East Block. This is 12 hectares in size, our pocket business district dito sa Nuvali. Yung mga itatayo dito, guys, are mid-rise buildings. As you can see sa screen, tingnan nyo po kung gaano kaganda once magkaroon naman ng mga buildings dito. So, additional opportunities and business expansions dito. Also, on our right side naman will rise our North Central Business District. Guys, once ma-develop itong si East Block and North Central Business District, also the Lakeside Evo Zone, this will be our own version of BGC na. You know naman guys, si Ayala ang nag-develop ng BGC, Makati, Ayala Alabang, and many famous estates na once matapos itong both business districts, magi-skyrocket na naman ang prices dito. The property values dito sa Nuvali. So habang manageable pa yung prices dito sa Nuvali, hoping na makapag-secure na po kayo dito ng Peace of Nuvali. So ito po guys, no, habang binabaybay po natin si Nuvali Boulevard, let's have a question and answer. Hindi po ito pang Miss Universe ha. Kumbaga ito po yung mga frequently asked questions. Example sa comment section natin sa YouTube or yung mga nag-i-inquire po sa akin sa Facebook page para kita paano mas maging knowledgeable po tayo dito. So, FAQ number 1. Bahain ba ang Nuvali? Napakagandang tanong, angkop na sa panahon natin ngayon. Lalo, ito yung number 1 controversy. Example, yung ghost flood control projects. Pero hindi na po tayo makikisawsaw dito ha. So, bahain ba ang Nuvali? The answer is no po. Lulubog po muna ang buong Metro Manila and yung sa bayan ng Santa Rosa bago po umabot ang baha dito sa Nuvali. Because Nuvali is located at the highest part of Santa Rosa. Yung elevation po natin, paangat na po kasi papuntang Tagaytay na po ito. Of course, number 1 factor kasi sa paghahanap ng retirement property, diba, is the flood-free area. So, no worries po, Nuvali is a flood-free estate. Once we reach the Rotunda, the first exit is going to Casile Road. Shortcut going to Tagaytay and madadaanan nyo rin po dyan ang old twin mansion ni Marcos. Also, the road going to Canlubang Golf and Country Club, one of the nearest golf country club dito sa Nuvali. So here, let's exit lang po sa second exit. And after this bridge, nasa Nuvali Central na po tayo. If napapansin nyo po, no, meron tayong guard post ulit dito. Sa lahat ng entries and exits in Nuvali, meron po tayong mga guard posts. They are part of the Nuvali Estate Security that maintains, of course, the security of the whole Nuvali Estate para sa residents, tenants, tourists, etc. Here in Nuvali Central, we will be having our own pocket business district or our own commercial area. This is called Central Block. This is 12 hectares in size naman and yung ongoing construction here is Merrimart. Malapit na po siya matapos. And the shops, ito po yung series of retail stores. So, this is a good news to us Nuvali residents na if you were to buy groceries lang naman or household needs, very convenient ito sa atin. From here, let's go right muna. Daanan po natin yung ating condo and one of the school dito sa loob ng Nuvali. So this one po, this is Xavier School. Ito po yung one of the schools inside Nuvali. Dito po sa Nuvali, we have 3 schools. Ito lang po muna yung madadaanan natin, si Xavier, and the other 2 schools po, later on po madadaanan din po natin sila. Now this is Solara Park Stores Nuvali. This project has a size of 1.7 hectares and 3 towers lang po yung itatayo dito. All mid-rise buildings and also Solara Park Stores Nuvali. This is our pet-friendly condo na rin po. For now, yung open for selling natin is this tower. This is Tower 1. Actually, yung turnover pa nito is on October 2027 pa. Pero dahil yung pag-build po natin ng mga towers is funded, as you can see po, top off na po siya. Na-top off na po siya last April 2025 pa po. So yung mga available po nating units dito are all studio units na lang po with balcony. The size is 26.5 square meter. Tapos, this building is also a green building na rin. If you are looking for a small space for retirement, also, naghahanap din po kayo ng for passive income, like example for rentals or Airbnb, you might consider this one po. Also, we have amenities po dito. The size of amenity area is 40% ng kabuuan po ng 1.7 hectares ni Solara. So, the type of our amenities here, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, indoor gym. We also have multi-purpose area, tsaka po ng play area. Also, in Tower 1, we have meeting room and game room na rin po doon. So tara guys, after ng Solara Park Stores Nuvali, punta na po tayo sa ating townhouse. Na example, if you want na mag-upgrade or gusto na mas malaking space from condo into a townhouse, dito po, kuha po tayo ng idea kung ano po yung to-turn over o yung pwede po nating i-avail na townhouse. Now this is Amaya Series Nuvali, our first and only townhouse in Nuvali. Kung gusto nyo naman po no, na mag-upgrade from condo unit sa bigger space like this townhouse, and nasa budget po, you might consider this as well. So dito po si Amaya Series Nuvali, we have 3 sectors here. The sectors 1 and 2, sold out na po siya. So yung open natin for selling is sector 3 na rin po. So yung sector 3 natin, yung completion date nun is on September 2026, malapit na din. Pero dahil pre-selling po siya and kaka-open lang din po, yung payment term natin doon is up to 36 months. So yung mga available po natin doon, this one. So one of the available units natin is this one, inner unit. This is 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath. Nagre-range po ito or yung price po nitong inner unit starts from 6.5 million. The lot size is 60 square meter and yung floor area natin is 65 square meter. Now this one naman is our end unit. Yung size po nito, the lot size, nag-start po siya ng 65 to 80 square meter. Meron din pong bigger. Tapos yung floor area po ito is 65 square meter din. This is also 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath. Nagre-range po siya or nag-start din po yung price nito from 8.5 million. So example, if ito po yung magustuhan nyo, kasi kahit na paano, single attached lang po siya, kindly message lang po sa para sa mga available units natin. So for the amenities naman, nitong sa townhouse natin, we have pavilion, swimming pool, basketball court, multi-purpose area. We also have paw park, picnic area, tsaka playground. So, bye-bye na po natin ang Nuvali Vard and go to our communities later on. If you want to upgrade naman from townhouse to single detached house or lot-only properties, ito na po yung mga next na nating pupuntahan. So, habang binabaybay natin ang Nuvali Boulevard, let's have a question and answer ulit. So, this is our FAQ number 2. Pwede bang mag-purchase ang isang OFW kahit nasa ibang bansa pa? Yes, of course. Sobrang madali lang po mag-purchase ng property dito sa Ayala Land kahit nasa ibang bansa pa po kayo. Reservation, payments, and even documents ay through online na lang po. For the reservation and payments, if you have BPI Peso account, GCash or credit card, much better para online lang. But if wala, pwede rin po tayong mag-pay through bank to bank dyan or through remittance. Ganyan lang po kadali, message me to assist and guide you po. Kasi gusto ng OFWs, no, mapuno, less traffic, no spaghetti wars, more exclusive, yung hindi na isa-sacrifice yung lifestyle na meron kayo dyan sa ibang bansa. na pag-uwi nyo po dito, same healthy environment. Now, on our left side is the Rockville South. This is 60 to 70 hectares in size na meron din po silang residential and commercial. Baga, you know naman Rockwell, magaling po silang gumawa ng buildings tulad na sa Makati. Another option to shop, dine and tea time dito, etc. Now, as you can see po, no, dahil paangat na po yung ating elevation, andito na po tayo sa Nuvali South. Nuvali South, this is the highest part of Nuvali. As you can see po, dito sa may T-Road na ito, sa tumbok po na yan, magkakaroon po tayo ng 10 hectares commercial area. Pero future plan pa po ito, no? Pero kahit paano po, meron po tayong sariling conveniency dito sa Nuvali South na mas malapit po sa atin. Also, sa tapat po ng ating commercial area, meron po tayo dong 31 hectares na play parks. Pero daanan na lang po natin mamaya. And also, on our right side, this is another commercial area pero for future plans pa po ito. So, stay tuned lang po, no, para malaman natin in the future kung ano po yung mga itatayo po dito na mga businesses. So, on our right side naman, this is the Everest Academy, one of the schools dito. Also, maya-maya, habang binabaybay po natin dito, madadaanan na rin po natin, on our left side is the Miriam College. Kumbaga, ito po yung mas sobrang convenient sa atin, lalo na kung may mga anak po tayo na mas pinalapit na po yung mga schools dito sa Nuvali. At nasa loob pa, hindi na po tayo lalabas na ng Nuvali. And now, this big road is the connection to the newly acquired land ni Ayala and to our new communities. Now, kung nasan po tayo ngayon, this is the area kung saan po located yung ating newest community, Crescela Nuvali. Yung actual location po niya, andun po siya, katabi po nitong community na to, si Mundia by Alveo. So, Crescela Nuvali, this is the smallest community na meron po kami. It is just a 13.5 hectares. Kumbaga po, compared sa ating communities, almost half in size lang siya. So, ito din po yung ating highest elevated na community sa buong Nuvali, from 200 up to 225 meters above sea level. Also, yung mga available po dito are lots, tsaka house and lots. Kung gusto nyo po mag-invest sa isang pre-selling community na matagal pa po yung turnover or mas mahaba yung payment term, this is the perfect community for you kasi up to 42 months pa po yung payment term natin. Also, yung turnover nito is on 4th quarter of 2028. For the last available, we have 161 up to 243 square meter. Nag-start po yung price natin from 8 million. For the house and lots naman, ito po yung example for the OFWs na gusto ay house and lot na pwede po tayo mag-purchase ng pre-selling house and lot. Yung mga available natin is Erin. This is our 3 bedrooms house and lot. It starts from 15 million. Also, we also have Solea, our 4 bedrooms house and lot na may 3 toilet and bath. Ito po yung pinakamagandang house and lot na i-offer natin, example for the seniors or for the persons with disability kasi meron po tayong bedroom sa may ground floor. It starts naman from 16 to 17 million. Also, Crescela po pala ay belong to the estates category. When we say estates category, ito po yung ating pinaka-premium na community. In terms of the entrance, the parks, the roads, also bigger po yung cut of lots natin, tsaka yung amenity area. Ito po yung pinaka-premium natin na community. For the amenities, we have naman our adult and kiddie pool, basketball court, multipurpose hall, indoor gym. We also have landscape area, gazebo, amphitheater, meron din po tayong pet park. If you want naman makita po kung ano po yung mga houses na we offer dito sa Crescela, I will attach to the description po ng mga house tour natin. For the Erin, our 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath. And for the Solea, our 4 bedrooms with 3 toilet and bath. So after Crescela, let's go to our dalawang near RFO communities naman. So if you prefer naman ng mas malapit na turnover and malipatan na house, these 2 communities po ang perfect for you. So habang driving tayo, let's have another Q&A. So this is our FAQ number 3. Gaano kalayo ang Makati and BGC to Nuvali? Hindi lang po OFW ang gustong mag-invest at mag-retire dito sa Nuvali. Also mga workers na halimbawa sa Makati and BGC na gusto magpahinga from the busy city pero hindi ganun kalayo sa work nila. So the travel distance is around 45 kilometers only. Ganun lang po kalapit. If sa travel time naman, kaya lang po ito ng 40 to 50 minutes drive. Dahil sa tulong din po ng mga expressways natin like ng Calax, SLEX, and Skyway. Share ko lang din po kasi actually yung office namin is nasa Makati Circuit. So if same travel time, minsan po nag-PP2P pag-coding lang din po ako. So nasa 40 to 50 minutes, ganyan lang po kalapit ang Nuvali to Makati. Now this is Southdale Settings Nuvali, one of our pre-selling communities dito sa Nuvali South. Ito po guys, malapit na po itong ma-turnover na community. Its completion date is on second quarter of 2026. Kung example guys, mas prefer nyo na mas malapit na ma-turnover or malipatan na yung bahay na pinurchase ninyo, this community is perfect for you. The size of this community is 20 hectares. The elevation of this community is from 180 up to 200 meters above sea level. If you are looking for the most affordable lots dito sa Nuvali, this community is also perfect for you. Kasi yung dito sa Southdale Settings Nuvali, we have smaller lots here from 130 up to 193 square meter. Kumbaga yung prices po natin dito ng lots, nag-start po tayo ng 5 to 6 million. For the house and lot naman, dito po sa Southdale Settings, ito na lang po yung mga available nating mga houses na model houses po. This is Macy Model, a 2-story house. Kumbaga, ito po siya, yung floor area natin is 67 square meter and yung lot area starts from 128 square meter. The price of this model house and lot, or if you prefer to buy a house and lot, nag-start po siya ng 10 million. Tsaka maganda po mag-invest ngayon kasi for this month po, meron po kaming double discount. That's for the house and lot. So if you would like to consider buying a house and lot or lot only dito sa Southdale, kasi ito po yung ating pinaka-affordable dito sa Nuvali, please message me lang po to my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage at 0917-140-5564 or to my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy. From Southdale Settings Nuvali, meron pa po tayong isang community na next year din po yung turnover. So from here, lakarin na lang po natin kasi yung location po nito, katapat lang. So tara, puntahan na po natin. Now, we are here in Aberdeen Estates, Nuvali. This is the last community na I can offer for now kasi ito na po yung isa pa nating pre-selling communities. Its turnover is on 2026 din, pero on 4th quarter. Pero at least, diba, next year pa rin yung turnover po nito. The size of this community is 22 hectares in size. Tapos yung elevation po ito is from 158 up to 188 meters above sea level. This community is also belong to the category of estates community. Kumbaga premium community po natin siya in terms po ng ating main entrance, parks, roads, pati amenity area, pati larger cut of lots. Kumbaga ito po yung pagka-premium ng isang community. For the lots available dito sa community, we have 158 square meter up to 250 square meter. Kumbaga nag-start po yung price natin sa lote from 7 million. Also, if you want naman a house and lot, tulad po ng mga design po nito, we have Erinden, 3 bedrooms house and lot. Also, Solea, our 4 bedrooms na house and lot. For the Erin, our 3 bedrooms house and lot, it starts from 15 million. For the 4 bedrooms na yan, naman, yung ating Solea, it starts from 16 to 17 million. So for the payment term naman po natin, up to 24 months pa po tayo dahil next year pa naman po yung turnover. So if you want po ng mas mabilis pa na turnover, this community is also perfect for you. So after ng Aberdeen Estates Nuvali tsaka ng Southdale Settings, puntahan naman natin yung 31 hectares na play parks, our activation area in Nuvali South. And that will be our last destination for this drive tour. Also, for while driving, we will be having our last Q&A, guys. So this is the FAQ number 4. Pwede bang mag-purchase ng landed property ang isang former Filipino? Napakagandang tanong kasi napag-usapan na rin natin kanina yung mga landed properties, lots and house and lots. When we say former Filipino, sila yung of course were born Filipino pero ngayon ay foreigner na or ibang citizen na. Like example, US citizen, Canadian or Australian. And to answer to that is yes, you can still purchase a landed property as long na you have a proof that you were born Filipino, like a birth certificate and additional form lang po to fill out and sign. So in this side, katabi po ng ating 10 hectares na commercial area, meron po tayong 31 hectares na play park. So hinati po siya into 3 sectors. The sector 1, ito po yung ating bike trail. So if you're into biking, meron po tayong bike trail sa loob. And ang next po nito is the community tree. Dito naman sa community tree natin, ito yung pinakagitna ng play park. Meron po tayong, of course, play park, pet park. Meron din po tayong garden center dito. And lastly, the golf driving range Nuvali. Tara, pasukin po natin itong si golf driving range. Example po, if you want to practice your swing before kayo mapunta sa isang buong golf course, pwede po kayo mag-practice dito muna sa driving range natin. Also, to give you an idea po kung ano ba yung mga malalapit na golf course dito. We have our nearest Canlubang Golf and Country Club and Santa Elena Golf and Country Club. Also, here in Golf Driving Range, we have here the Veranda Sunset. Ito naman kung gusto nyo po ng sample pang venue sa events nyo with perfect ambience, available po ito for meetings, private events, and more. So, that's it for our Nuvali Intensive Drive Tour featuring all the updates dito sa Nuvali, tsaka nadaanan na po natin lahat ng establishments. So, imagine po kung gaano ka-convenient manirahan or living in Nuvali na andito na po lahat, kayang-kayang puntahan all the establishments within 15 minutes. Diba? Kayang-kaya. So, if you want to inquire sa ating mga properties available, just message me to my Viber, WhatsApp, or iMessage at 0917-140-5564. Also, to my Facebook page, pwede rin, The Estate Savvy Property Specialist in Nuvali. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates dito sa Nuvali. Again, this is Renz Pagiligan, The Estate Savvy, your trusted property specialist in the South.